Hi everyone! Today's video, I'm sharing you how I did a makeover on our living room. So this is a long wait time for us to find the correct couch for our living room. So when we saw this, we thought this is it. So we bought it. And so we've done a little bit of a makeover to the living room. So now before arranging everything, I'm doing a bit of a cleanup. So let me sweep underneath and give it a good clean before we lay the carpet. So I moved the coffee table where I can give a thorough clean up. So I've done the sweeping and now I will be mopping the floor, because then before you lay the carpet, I like to have everything nice and clean. So finding a rug was a bit tricky because we were not 100% satisfied with what we bought here, although it was an okay moment for us, because it's not the pattern that we were not comfortable, it's just the size. Although we measured, we didn't get the correct size. It should have been a little bit larger, then it would be the perfect, but we were okay with this. So here, when you're laying a rug, the rule of thumb, it's most like the proper way is to include at least the front legs of the furniture to the rug. So here I was trying to include the front legs. So this is how we're struggling with that. So we'll include the front legs and we're just testing how it looks. This is not gonna work. We need to push the carpet back. As you can see, I wasn't happy about how it looked, so we are not going to include the legs to the rug. Instead, we are trying to push the rug back. Sorry, we're trying to push the rug forward so that we could see like a small area of the floor, and that'll enhance a little bit of space. It'll make the space look lighter and more spacious. So we'll push the rug more towards the other side, and then just including the corner chase leg to the rug. And I think that was the best we could play around with this rug. to enhance the beauty of the living room, I've added some cushions, pillows to the couch. So because our house has a neutral color palette, I thought just to cheer up it with some bright, not really bright, but some cushions which has like a pinkish beige touch. So I've added some a couple of cushions and a long one just to give up that aesthetically pleasing look. And also to the chase, I'm gonna add a throw rug, and that rug I've incorporated with a different color palette, because if you put the same colors in the same area, it's gonna look like a showroom. So you have to blend your colors carefully so that it's gonna have that similar but the different look to add that homey, cozy touch. So this rug has the same but a different color palette, because it's got some blues and greens, which is not belong to our home, but I've added that a little bit of color so that it just looks like a very homey. Now the coffee table decorations, because Christmas is around the corner and I do decorate my house for Christmas, so I thought maybe I'll just start with the coffee table, because why not having a different set of decorations when you're having a new couch. So this is, I pulled up my Christmas deco and just doing like again a neutral palette to go with the couch and that living area. So stay tuned for my next video. Is I'm decorating my house for the Christmas. Come night time, I wanted to light up the candle and then have that night look for the living room. So this is how it looks with the in the night with the lights on. And I wanted to have another feel when we switch off the living room lights, but have the other lights on. So yeah, I will show you that in a moment. So this is that warm, cozy look without the living room lights, but having the other lights on. So that's it, my friends, on today's video. I hope you enjoyed this and you gained some tips on decorating your own space. And please leave me a comment in the description box below on what you want to see me on my channel, and please consider subscribing and liking this video. And until I see you next time, bye bye.